All right, what we're doing next is we're gonna look at how we're gonna put the door onto our cabinet. So when we're done, it's gonna look like this, all right? One of the differences you are gonna see right now, this one's been polyed. If you have oak, yours will be stained and polyed before we go on to this next step. But I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I wanna show you how to attach your hardware, okay? So here are the things that we're gonna need. We can have a spee square or a combination square. You're gonna need your door, pencil. We've got a couple of different drill bits here. I will give you a package of hinges. They should have 6 smaller screws, 4 larger screws, 2 dampeners, and 2 hinges. Pencil, Phillips screwdriver, punch, and a drill. Okay, so with that in mind, first thing that we're gonna look at is we're gonna look at our door, right? And we have to see which side that we want up. Do I want it to go this way, or do I want it to go this way? All right, so that's gonna be up to you. I think for myself, I want this one to go this way. All right, so now we got to figure out which way we want the door to open. Do we want it to open from right to left, or do we want it to open from, excuse me, that one was left to right, this one will be right to left, okay? So that's which way we want to go. I want it to open from left to right, so that means I want the hinges on this side. So as I bring this up here, okay, I'm gonna remember that, and I'm gonna flip this over here. Okay, now from here, some people will measure to specific spots on here. With this door, what I like to do, I like to take and line this edge, okay, up right here with the bottom of that rail. And the same thing on the other side. I like to line this one up as well. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll take this punch and I will go through and I will make sure I keep that in place, but right in the middle I'll punch and make little dents for all of these holes. Okay, and that'll help make it so when I pre-drill this, it doesn't move around on me, okay? That's called wandering as well. So what I'll do is I will punch these, and with my pine, I'm gonna take a very small bit, okay? When I do my oak, okay, or if you have oak, our bit's gonna be a little bit bigger, okay? Just remember, pine's not as dense, okay? So, and these are not very big screws right here. One thing with the screws, and what I put like this, the screws are 2 different sizes. You've got 4 larger ones and you've got 6 smaller ones. Okay, the larger ones have the rounded heads on them, all right? And the smaller ones have a flat head on them. The 6 will go into these holes. So, when I pre-drill them, I'm not gonna go down very deep. I don't need to. Okay, I'll probably go down right about 1/4 of an inch. Right. Then when I put them on, I'm gonna use the screwdriver to turn them in, okay? I don't wanna turn them too far. They'll strip out and then they'll become loose. Okay, so I'll go through and show you how that's done.